A very warm morning to you all, children. Welcome back to the online class of Moral Science. So let's begin with the next chapter, that is Colors of a Rainbow. Children, please open your book to page number 43, chapter 15, Colors of a Rainbow. Do you know what is rainbow? Rainbow is a spectacular rays of colors. As we know that sunshine looks white, but it's really made of different colors. And when does rainbow occurs? When do you see a rainbow? Rainbow is seen when the sun shines after the rain. Okay? Do you all know what are the 7 colors of a rainbow? We can remember it by Vibgyor, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So let's get started with the reading of the chapter. Once upon a time, the colors of world began to quarrel. Once upon a time, the colors of the world began to quarrel. Each one claimed that it was the best, and each one claimed that it was the best color. They had an argument among themselves and they were claiming to the best. All the colors were fighting among themselves. Green said, "Clearly, I am the most important. I am the sign of life and hope." Green color said that I am the sign of life and hope. So I am the most important one. I was chosen for the grass, trees and leaves. And also said that I was chosen for the grass, trees and leaves. Without me, all animals would die because animals depend on the grass, trees and leaves. Look all over the countryside. You will see that I am in majority. And when you look all over the countryside, you can see me in a large area. Okay? Blue interrupted. And then Blue interrupted. You think about the earth. Why do you think only about the earth? But consider the sky and the sea. You should also consider the sky and the sea. It is the water that is the basis of life. And it's the water which is the basis of life. And drawn up by the clouds from the deep sea. And it is also drawn up from the clouds, by the clouds from the deep sea. The sky gives space, peace and serenity. The sky also gives space, peace and serenity. Serenity means peacefulness, calmness. Without my peace, you all would be nothing. And without my peace, you all would be nothing. Yellow laughed. You are all so serious. I bring laughter, joy and warmth into the world. Are you also serious? I bring laughter, joy and warmth into the world. The sun is yellow, the moon is yellow, and the stars are yellow. Every time you look at a sunflower, the whole world starts to smile. What does yellow color say? That the sun, the moon, the stars, even the sunflower, when you look at the sunflower, the world starts to smile. All are in yellow color. Then orange. What does orange color say then? Orange started next to blow its trumpet. I am the color of health and strength. I may be scarce, but I am precious. For I am the human life. I serve the human life. I carry the important vitamins and also carries the important vitamins. Think of carrots, pumpkins, oranges, mangoes and papayas. I don't hang around the time, but when I fill the sky at sunrise or sunset, my beauty is so striking that no one gives another thought to any of you. This was said by Orange. Now, Red could not stand no longer. He shouted out, I am the ruler of all of you. I am blood. Without me, the earth would be as empty as moon. Then Purple rose up with all its height. It was very tall and spoke with a great pomp. I am the color of royalty and power. Kings, chiefs and bishops have always chosen for me. And the kings, chiefs, bishops always chose for me. For I am the sign of authority and wisdom. People do not question me, they listen and obey. People don't question me, they listen and obey me. Then finally Indigo spoke, much more quietly than all others, but with just much determination. Think of me, I am the color of silence, and you hardly notice me. But without me, you all become useless. And without me, you all will become useless. This was said by Indigo. I represent thought and reflection, twilight and deep water, and I represent through thought and reflection, twilight and deep water. You need me for balance and contrast, for praise and inner peace.